Hello children, welcome to you all. In this video we are going to learn verb and its types. So let us see what is verb. Generally we know verb is an action word. So let's see. A verb is a word that tells us about the person or thing. But what it tells us? A verb may tells us first one, what a person or thing does. As for example, Hari writes. The clock moves. Second, what is done to a person or thing. As for example, Hari is scolded. The glass is broken. Third, what a person or thing is, here showing the sense of to be. As for example, I feel happy. Table is hard. Types of verb we are going to see. First one, action verb. The word that expresses the action of doing something by a person or thing. As for example, Sita is talking. Here what Sita is doing? Sita is talking. Talking is the action verb. The ball is rolling. Rolling is a action verb. Again, the action verb is of two types, transitive verb and intransitive verb. Let us see first type, a transitive verb. A verb that need an object to complete its action, as it passes its action from subject, that is who is doing the action, to an object, are called transitive verb. So here object is must. As for example, the boy hits the ball. The boy is a subject and action is hits. Boy hits. To what hits? It hits to the ball. So here in the sentence, the ball is a object. So the action is passing to the object here. Next, an intransitive verb. A verb that does not need an object to complete its action, as it does not pass its action from subject to an object, are called intransitive verb. Here there is no need of object. As for example, the baby sleeps. The boy laughs loudly. Here the action remains with the subject only. It's not passing to any other object. So this type of verb is called intransitive verb. Now next type of verb is linking verb. A verb that acts as a link between a subject to a noun or an adjective in a sentence is called linking verb. Here linking verb to a noun or verb to an adjective. Is, are, am, was, were are examples of linking verb. Here this all verb will show the sense of to be. Let us see sentence of this linking verb. I am a doctor. Am is showing what I am. Am a doctor. He is a student. She was cute. They were good. We will be in our new dress tomorrow. So in all the sentences, it shows that linking verb is showing the sense of to be. Sometimes these words can also act as a linking verb, such as seems, become, feel, appear, be, been, being. See in a sentence. He becomes a doctor. He appears ready for the exam. You look pretty. Here also showing the sense of to be. Now next type is helping verb. Helping verb is also called an auxiliary verb. Helping verbs, the verbs that are used before a main verb to convey additional information in a sentence. It shows the tense of the sentence. Tanu is going to school. So going is a main verb and is a helping verb. It helps the sentence to tell the tense of the work. Tanu was playing. Playing is a main verb and was is a helping verb. It gives some information about the sentence. It tells the tense of the sentence that the work was done in the past. Tanu will write in new notebook. Write is the main verb, whereas will is a helping verb. Let us see some examples of helping verb. Is, are, am, has, have, has been, have been. This helping verb show present tense in a sentence. Was, were, did, had been. Show past tense in a sentence. Will have to. Will show future tense in a sentence. I hope you understood. Let's practice to read these examples. Thank you for watching.